here down live at Frankston Hill. That is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in a cloud in my life. I've been time-lapsing it for 2 hours watching it come in. I'm just praying my battery stays charged because you're about to watch the most amazing thing. Look at it. It is like a giant UFO cruising towards us. Look at it. Oh my God. Let me go and have a look at it, Bill.
Catch you later, mate.
See you, mate. That is just something else. That is just out of this world. Amazing. Look at this, I just got it set up on my chair, on my boot, with my time lapse running. That's epic, Bill. This is crazy! Oh shit.